Hello. In this video I will be reviewing the Munyuk indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is another version of the Parabolic SAR indicator, but instead of displaying the points on the chart, it shows them in a separate window. When the Parabolic SAR indicator points are positioned below the candle, we have green points appearing in this display window, and when the Parabolic SAR indicator points are instead located above the candles, we have red points displayed in this display window. And we can use this indicator both to identify the trend and...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
To enter a trade. That means when the color of this indicator changes from red to green, we can enter a buy trade, and in the opposite case, we can enter a sell trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the sound alert. If it is set to true and activated, whenever there is a color change in this indicator, it will issue a sound alert for us. The next option is the size of these arrows, which we can set to a value between 0 and 5, with 0 being the smallest size. The next option is the color of these arrows for when we have an uptrend, and the following option is the color for a downtrend. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.